Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your oxygen level. We'll focus on using a pulsioximeter, a simple and effective tool. This small device clips onto your finger and provides a quick, non-invasive way to measure the oxygen saturation in your blood. Understanding your oxygen levels is a key part of monitoring your respiratory health, giving you valuable insights into how well your body is utilizing oxygen. So, how does this clever little gadget work? A pulse oximeter uses two light beams, one red and one infrared, which pass through your finger. These lights detect the color of your blood, specifically distinguishing between oxygenated and deoxygenated hemoglobin. Based on this, it calculates the percentage of oxygen-carrying hemoglobin, known as your SpO2 level, and also shows your pulse rate. It's a fascinating and efficient process. Using your pulse oximeter correctly is straightforward. First, make sure your hand is warm and relaxed, and avoid wearing nail polish or artificial nails on the finger you choose. Next, simply clip the device onto your index or middle finger, ensuring it's snug but comfortable. Keep your hand still for about 10 to 20 seconds. The device needs this time to stabilize and provide an accurate reading of your blood oxygen saturation and pulse. Once you have your reading, what do the numbers mean? A healthy oxygen saturation level, or SpO2, usually falls between 95% and 100%. If your reading is consistently below 95%, it could be a sign that your body isn't getting enough oxygen. It's important to consult a healthcare professional if you see consistently low readings or experience symptoms like shortness of breath, dizziness, or confusion. Early action is always best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.